This is a quick video demonstrating the startup procedure of a Formula Renault. A purple car behind with a stack of wheels, some panels right about there, and the red car in front. A quick look at the dash. Shows there is some temperature in the engine and that the oil most likely needs to be primed. A quick look at the dash behind, or the buttons on the dash rather. We have the ignition switch here and the start button just there to crank the engine. The on and off refer to the electronics. So to start, you're going to disconnect input to the coil pack. Just like that. Come back to the dash and prime the oil pump. I will flick the ignition switch on and hit the start button until the oil pressure is sufficient. The oil pressure is sufficient, so the coil pack can be plugged back in. I'll need to use a bit of throttle to get the car started, about 10%. It's a tiny amount of throttle, something like that. Anywhere between 8 and 10 or 8 or more is sufficient. I'll need to place the phone down just to get the car started, and once it's idling, I'll show the dash again. The ignition has been cut because the air quality quickly gets too poor to breathe. And that is the startup procedure for a Formula Renault.